Hey guys, Debamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. In my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. In my today's session, I am going to talk about something that is very positive thing and about your life, which can help you to grow as a professional person or as a successful person. I know there is no definition of success, though there is no such as such formulas to be a successful person, but sometimes we need some guidance to make ourselves successful. So I'm going to share some of the ideas with you. Okay, so success, what is success? Success is the accomplishment of certain goals you set in your life. Each person has different ideas of what is success. Might look like this, uh, like getting a certain job, earning certain amount of money, or owning our own house. Regardless of the goals, there are some steps you can take to be a successful person in your life. In this article, we discuss how you can measure success uh, as a measure success by doing something that is and outline the steps to be a successful person in your life. So there are 13 steps, guys. I'm going to talk about this. So the first one is find your passion. To be a successful person, it is important to define what you want to do in your life. Okay. So consider reading books or taking classes about different subjects until you find something that interests you. Finding an area you are passionate about helps enjoy the steps you take toward achieving your goals. See if there are potential career opportunities in your passion to see if it is something you want to pursue. Show commitment. Commitment means dedicating yourself, becoming successful, and working hard in all circumstances. Set both short and long term goals and take action every day towards this. Showing commitment can help keep you motivated while achieving these goals, especially as you complete tasks that contribute to your larger goals. Those goals might be ambitious, but remember to set a realistic plan and timeline. For example, rather than setting a goal to complete college and start a new career in 1 year, allow yourself the time to complete your education and search for the right job. Share your personal commitments and goals within with friends or family members. Others can motivate you, and through difficult times they can give you that knowledge what you need to do, and other people can make sure you remain accountable for your commitments and actions. Learn from your journey rather than focusing strictly on the results, your accomplishments. Take notice of the small steps needed to achieve success. If you allow yourself to enjoy small victories along your journey, reaching your goals can feel more achievable, and you are more likely to stay on track. Each step you take can teach you lessons that you can apply to focus on your future goals and challenges. Have fun along the way, but be sure to enjoy the steps you take towards achieving your goals. Becoming successful can be challenges sometimes. Okay, you have to face some challenges, but having fun while learning and new things and meeting new people can motivate you and make the journey enjoyable. Learning what you are capable of or can be exciting. So it is important to keep your goals light and fun in order to have an emotionally positive experience. Think positively. It is important to keep a positive mindset and believe that you can achieve your goals. Positive thinking keeps your expectations high and reminds you of what is possible. Challenges may come, but remember that they are temporary, and continue to believe you can succeed. If negative thoughts rise, replace them with positive ones. For example, if you think, I will never get this job, consider thinking the right position is going to come. Give yourself the opportunity and the time to think about your situation, using only positive language to condition more positive thinking. Be honest with yourself. If you find your goal is a standstill, you might need to be honest with yourself about the reasons. After you have come to an understanding, try to find a solution to push yourself towards success. Challenge yourself to try new strategies. This might mean speaking to an advisor or to a supervisor about your promotion, signing up for a difficult college class that you never considered before, or exploring different industries to work. An honest review of your situation and goals allow you to make better decisions about the next step. Take away distractions. Make a list of things in your life that take your time or distract you. This could be phone, television, or it could be a person also. So what and who is causes your the stress for you? Kindly cut off that person from your life immediately and focus on your work. If you set a certain amount of time each day to work towards your goal. Be sure you avoid these common distractions. Eventually, as you continue to practice this dedication, you can improve focus skills. This helps both on the journey to success and when working in future roles. Depend on yourself. It is important to depend on yourself by focusing on the actions you can take. This can assure you that despite challenges, you have tried your best. There are things out of your control, like the hiring process, but focusing on what you can control can help you continuously complete tasks and learn when you might need help. It is beneficial to rely on others for emotional support, but focusing on your accountability on yourself can motivate you as you achieve success. Keep planning. Stick to a schedule when working on your goals. Give yourself challenge according to your personal calendar, such as I will finish a training a course by the end of the year, or I will try three new marketing strategies this quarter. Even if you do not achieve the goal as planned, you still track your process. Uh, Industries, careers, and education can change over time. So it is important to keep planning and adjust your goals as needed. Avoid overworking. It is important to focus on your goal and avoid but burnout. Keeping your journey productive yet fun can ensure your motivation without overworking yourself. Your goal should be something that brings you continued joy and challenge rather than a burden. Consider taking breaks or achieving goals that are unrelated to your larger success goals. This can help you return your task with a new perspective and motivated to start working again. Create smart goals. The first one is smart goals are a structuring technique that ensures you have concentrate and actionable goals. uh, the acronyms means specific goals. The first one is specific. Specific goals means starting exactly what you want to achieve. Rather than simply saying you want to earn promotion, specify what role you hope to attain. Measurable. Measurable goals have metrics you can use to track your progress. You might state you want to learn three new skills in a specific area and have a manager or recognize your improvements. Attainable. Attainable goals are realistic. Rather than a goal of becoming a finance executive while still in school, an attainable goal might be to earn certain marks in your classes. Relevant. Relevant goals are those that are set with a larger goal in mind. For example, you may set a goal to complete a resume, writing class, or that you can start a career as a professional resume writer. Time based, your goals are most effective in the if they have realistic timelines. Although schedules can change. Having an anticipated completion date can help you stay motivated. So from start small. Through you set ambitious goals. Starting with simple tasks can help you feel productive. Even writing down your goals can be your first accomplishment. Some small tasks you might consider towards building a successful life include sending a query email, editing your resume, contacting professionals in your networks, reading an article about your goals. Each completed task is already a successful achievement, no matter how small they are. Build good habits. Building good habits can help you achieve goals as well as learn important skills like focus, time management, and attention details. Consider a morning nightmare a nighttime routine. I said nightmare routine where you review your goals, set tasks you want to accomplish, and review your schedule. By doing this, you develop a routine that you can follow any future goal. It is also important to prioritize rest and good mental health habits. As I have said, nightmare that I am not in very good mental health. I am feeling like that. Is it like that? No, no. Meditating for 5 minutes or exercising four things in the morning can improve your focus and attitude and helping you to build your goals. So these are the things, guys, what I have talked about. So kindly focus on all those things and be a proper professional person. There is nothing is impossible in our life. We can achieve everything if we have that mindset. But that how we can be successful, that we all need to make our own strategies. And whatever I have said the same thing in my session. So kindly, I have just shared the guidance with you. Right now, how you will amplify in your life, that depends on your choice, your thought process, and your way of thinking. So kindly do something that can help you grow. Okay. And in PCS Global, we are providing trainings, we are giving online classes, we are making so many inspirational videos. You can go through all my videos. And being a brand ambassador of Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited, I would like to suggest you kindly communicate with us, get proper knowledge about all the trainings that are going on, get how industry experts are going, giving you that knowledge, how they are sharing their based expertise knowledge with you and the experience they have already. So kindly focus on all those things and don't waste time, guys, because time is the only thing that can make your life better, that can shape your career. And with proper guidance, you all have potential. The only thing you need, that is a proper timing and proper motivation. So I am here, I am doing I am trying to motivate you. It's your duty to talk with us. It's our duty to provide you the full information about everything, whatever PCS Global is doing. So, guys, kindly communicate, take necessary steps, be a part of a good organization, and start building your career right now. So, guys, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. So, bye for now.